Pu'er is a city in southwestern of Yunnan, China, famous for its tea and lush landscapes. Today we're visiting Pu'er Wildlife Park. Instead of taking a trolley, we decided to walk. Look, the deers are walking freely everywhere. They are so close to us.
Hello?
You come even here. Let me take
Yeah.
guys.
The monkey mom is feeding her baby. Such a precious moment. The forest is so green and fresh after the rain. The sound of the rain is so peaceful. Look at these colorful birds. This place is full of life. Wow, a black bear is eating the leaves in the tree. He looks so chill.